The most important thing is getting the correct title.
Yeah.
Obviously, just as you would with SEO, you need to identify your keywords and identify your target audience and what they're looking for.
SEOscience.com.
Big question for a lot of people listening, I imagine, is how can you use or what are the best sort of practices to follow when it comes to YouTube SEO?
Mm-hmm. So in terms of what I know from my work and my hobby as well, is that just how you would optimize things for SEO on your website, you have to also optimize them on YouTube. So I'll go through a couple of simple things that you can just do to like help your videos gain traction or visibility, or even help appear in the search rankings on Google or Bing or whichever search engine you're using on. So first of all, the most important thing is getting the correct title.
Yeah.
Obviously, just as you would with SEO, you need to identify your keywords and identify your target audience and what they're looking for. So if they're looking for a guide, obviously you want to provide them with something that says a guide on the thing, guide on this, guide on that. That then they can search up on Google, search up on YouTube. Hopefully it comes up and then you get a view. That's the simplest way that kind of links to SEO.